What's going on here?
Breakfast. We have onions, mushrooms, and sweet potato, hash browns, and eggs. Big fluffy eggs.
We're good at eating.
So today is the day. We are doing helicopter tour ride all by ourselves with this guy.
Remember when the windows were fogging up?
Yeah.
It's because I was having like a panic attack. I was back there, I was like, I started to like really sweat really bad. And then all of a sudden I saw the windows start fogging up and I was like, oh, that's me. And he was like, I'm going to turn the heat on here to defrost the windows. But then I calmed down for some reason. But like at first I was not okay. That was really cool.
I was good. I was good the whole time.
I couldn't have been up front where you were. Like the whole view.
So we just got done with helicopter ride. Definitely a highlight of our trip. Hiking's fucking cool, but we got to see the entire park. We even went to Canada. We weren't supposed to tell anyone. Supposed to tell them when we go to.
I'm starving.
We are hungry.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
I'm too excited to eat. I'm too excited to do anything. That was so fun. I highly recommend anyone to do a helicopter tour, especially in Glacier National. We got to see all the glaciers, all the lakes. There's like 7 billion lakes. I don't know. 700. I exaggerate, but That was amazing. How are you feeling? Are you better?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Just checking.
The helicopter ride had me a little.
Ooh. Now that you have pizza, you're alright.
I have my cod wrap.
I know, I sort of wanted that.
My favorite thing to do. I get to do this step here. Oh. Yes.
Let me see that.
Yes. Yes.
You're blurry. Do it again. I'm a little confused because Rob is more excited about his freaking little tourist book, the tourist book that he has.
What? Babe, this is...
You're more excited about that than being 5,000 feet in the air in a helicopter.
I was scared.
He was scared.
But look what else I got. The National Park book, and it's leather bound.
And I got postcards with goats on it. I like goats. So I guess all you have to do to please Rob is get his little book stamped. So there you know. There you know.
We didn't have,
Show us.
so I have these, and I haven't been that many places. So
What?
So this is the Grand
It's the
Canyon.
Grand Canyon.
Oh, Redwood National State Forest. See, they didn't have. They just had the date. That sort of sucks.
Why is this music so ridiculous?
That's it. I don't.
No more?
You're making me feel stupid now because I only have a couple.
We were in a helicopter, and you're more excited about a goddamn stamp in a book.
I was really excited about the helicopter. You know how much I like this book, babe.
I
I
know.
want to get all the stamps. Look at this page. That page makes me look like I'm a fucking boss.
That's the only page that makes you look.
Stop.
What are the ones at the top?
Yellowstone.
Oh.
So we just got here a while ago. We folded down the seats
I slept.
and we slept for how long?
I don't even know.
It's 2:15.
45 minutes.
We slept for 45 minutes in the back of a truck.
So now I'm taping my feet.
And now she's taping up her feet, and it's time to go hike.
Okay.
If I don't think I can make it.
I mean, my feet all have holes in
All
them.
right, so a year ago we did this, and it seemed very far.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
That was not fun.
And Dana wants to do this to there.
Yeah.
There's the chalet, which is where I want to go to, but you can only go there like
By foot or by
foot,
horseback?
which it's by foot, by horseback, and it's an actual hotel out there.
Well, it's not open. It's only open July through August.
Well, all right, so you want to go to here?
We can go to Lake Ellen.
You are fucking
Maybe
crazy.
Ellen.
Let's go.
Leaving out a million stories. And with that, 'cause that's just boring. Get back to the time.
I don't know where we're at, but Dana need to redo some of her blister wraps.
These are working good. It's my piggy toes.
So Dr. Rob patched her up, and we're about to be back on the trail. Probably about halfway.
Oh, city
sleeping.
The animals are sleeping.
I guess so. You scared them with your farts. You scared them with your farts.
Done. And we stopped in this
Lake McDonald Lodge.
Lake McDonald Lodge. What a magical little place that place is.
We're gonna come and eat breakfast here.
Really cool. Actually, gonna like stay there one day.
Yeah.
Ran into somebody who knew who Dana was. That was weird.
Yeah, that was a little weird. She was like, "Wait, Dana?
It's like, what are you doing? What are you doing here?" We were gonna get some food, but I think we're gonna save food there for another day. And
I gotta cook some salmon.
Dana's gonna cook salmon for dinner, so we don't want to get too ahead of ourselves. But yeah, that was a really good day. Right?
We did 8.8.
8.8 miles today. We did.
8.8 miles.
Fucking warriors.
We are crazy. This is a post-hike meal. This is mine. That is yours.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you filming me?
Y'all need a travel vlog.
That's what we do.
A travel vlog.
We have one.
French fries.
Oh, it's going really good.